patient advocacy community is excited about the introduction of biosimilars. These medicines will help lower the costs of care, and they have the potential for providing different treatments that healthcare providers can prescribe to patients. So we're very excited about the initiation of biosimilars into the marketplace. We just want to make sure that these newer medicines are both safe and are effective, and that the regulators are taking these issues into account to make sure that patients are in the forefront of all of these policy discussions.
So access is extremely important to people like us. It takes years to find a treatment that does work, or a cocktail of treatments. I myself have multiple autoimmune diseases, and I take 46 drugs a day. So you can imagine the tremendous cost and the burden and compliance, making sure that I take them. I call it my lupus cocktail, repeatedly throughout the day, and coming up with ways to make sure that the drug is worked, to track it with my physicians. So I am blessed to have a wonderful healthcare team, and I'm part of my healthcare team along with my husband, and it used to be when I was younger, my parents were part of that healthcare team. And I like to empower and educate our patient community how important it is for them to be members of their healthcare team, to have the most positive prognosis and the best outcomes possible.
Well, anytime a new drug comes out, there is a group of physicians, and not a small group, that are very hesitant to prescribe it. They really want to wait until everyone else has used it for 1 to sometimes 3 years before they'll write the prescription. And it certainly is going to be no different with biosimilars. It may even be a little trickier with biosimilars because the entire complexity of how they're made and the type of molecule that they are is very scientific. And many physicians may not understand it. And so I think education is going to be extremely important.
We simply want to make sure that regulators get it right by ensuring that the standards for approval and the standards for data collection once these products are approved are in the patient's best interest.